It's August 22nd, 2021. It's the National Weather Service hurricane in the northeast. And I hear an air raid horn, but it's so far in the distance, I don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know what it means, but I can hear the horn. It's just there's no safety set up in the local Bayside station, Bayside, New York 11361 area. So even hearing the horn, if I didn't tune it out and I was able to hear it, I would have no idea what it means, which I don't. Because there's no local class, there's no local involvement. There's been nothing. The humans have been so horrific in their attempt to set anything up in this area. It's pitiful. Star 1978, star 8378, Nicole Cattaruzza.